Hello and welcome to the Isotopes revision video from scienceworksheets.co.uk. Please subscribe to support the channel. Today we're going to look at the definition of an isotope, properties of an isotope and why some isotopes are radioactive. Isotopes are atoms of the same element with the same number of protons but a different number of neutrons. So if we look at the isotopes that we've got here, hydrogen 1, hydrogen 2 and hydrogen 3, from left to right, we can see that the number of protons stays the same, but the number of neutrons increases from 0 to 1 to 2. Isotopes of the same element will have the same chemical properties because they all have the same number of electrons in the outer shell. However, isotopes of the same element have different physical properties because they've got different number of neutrons, so therefore their mass will vary. Some isotopes are radioactive. This is because they have an unstable nucleus. Hydrogen 3 or tritium has an unstable nucleus, so it tries to undergo radioactive decay to become more stable. The nucleus is stable if it has the correct ratio of protons to neutrons. If the ratio is not correct, then the nucleus will be unstable. Copper and chlorine could be exceptions. Number of neutrons is equal to the mass number minus the atomic number. Copper has a mass number of 63.5, atomic number 29. And chlorine has a mass number of 35.5 and an atomic number of 17. So this means that copper appears to have 34.5 neutrons, whilst chlorine appears to have 18.5 neutrons. It is not possible to have half a neutron. This effect is caused by isotopes. A natural sample of chlorine contains 75% chlorine 35 and 25% of chlorine 37, and we can average the mass numbers for these isotopes, taking into account the amount of each present. So we do 25% times 37 plus 75% times 35, all divided by 100 gives an average of 35.5, and a similar case occurs for copper. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to support the channel to help us produce more videos. If you need revision worksheets, visit our website scienceworksheets.co.uk.